Have you ever heard of a sport that combines the raw power of buffaloes, the skill of a farmer, and the excitement of a race? Welcome to the enthralling world of Kambala, a traditional buffalo race that has its roots deep in the cultural history of Karnataka, a southern Indian state. In the local language, Kambala translates to muddy field, a fitting name for the terrain where this unique race unfolds. The racetrack, a paddy field filled with water, sets the stage for a thrilling spectacle of strength, speed, and skill. The origins of Kambala can be traced back to the reign of the Hoysala dynasty, which ruled Karnataka from the 10th to the 14th centuries. Originally, Kambala was not about competition but was a ritual to honor and appease the gods for a bountiful harvest. However, with the passage of time, the ritual metamorphosed into a competitive sport, uniting communities in a shared celebration of strength and speed. In its early days, Kambala was the preserve of landlords and wealthy families who owned buffaloes. But as time wore on, the sport became more inclusive, opening its doors to participants from all walks of life. Today, Kambala is a major sporting event that draws participants and spectators alike from far and wide. The race is a test of the buffalo's power and the jockey's skill. Pairs of buffaloes pull a wooden plow or Kambala as a farmer or jockey runs alongside them. Guided by the jockey's commands and driven by the cheers of the crowd, these buffaloes thunder down the track in an adrenaline-fueled dash to the finish line. In recent years, Kambala has garnered national and international attention. Its unique blend of tradition and athleticism has piqued the interest of modern-day athletes who are drawn to its raw energy and deep connection to nature. To summarize, Kambala is a sport that has evolved from a religious ritual to a competitive race. It's a celebration of the strength and speed of buffaloes, the skill of the jockey, and the unity of communities. It's a spectacle that has endured the test of time, continuing to captivate audiences with its raw energy and unique charm. So, if you ever find yourself in Karnataka, don't miss the chance to witness a Kambala race. It's an experience that promises to be as unforgettable as the history of this remarkable sport itself. That's all for today's video. If you found the history of Kambala fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing content. Until the next time, stay curious, keep learning, and continue exploring the fascinating world around us.